guys, it's Kylie. Welcome back to my videos. I just got a message. So my May Boxycharm just came in. Unfortunately, I don't get my Boxycharm towards the beginning of the month. I get it usually around the 16th, 15th, or 16th. So my Boxycharm videos are usually a little bit later than everybody else's, so there's already videos and everything up of what you get in the box. We're going to talk a little bit about the box. First of all, Boxycharm is a $25 a month subscription beauty box. You get mostly makeup products. You also get skin care. Sometimes you get hair products. It just depends. You get 4 to 5 full-size products, and it always adds up to $100 or more. So it's definitely worth your money. I love Boxycharm. I've been doing it for about 2 years now. The first product is a GLAMGLOW Gentle Bubble Daily Conditioning Cleanser. It's a cleanser, so it takes off your makeup. I just love the box. It's so pretty. This retails for $28. So I won't be using this right now because I'm putting my makeup on, not taking off. But if you want a review or anything on this, more information on this, I can do that in a later video. The other product, this is the ALAMAR COLORETE Blush Trio. So you get 3 beautiful blushes. This is the Fair Light set. They also have, I think, a medium and dark. So based on whatever your skin tone is, that's what they send you. That retails for $22. Then we have a Dose of Colors Liquid Matte Lipstick. This retails for $18. The color I got is Strawberry Pop. I'll show you that later when we put it on my lips. And the next one is the LUSTRE Cream Eyeshadow. Again, I'll be using this later. This retails for $22. And then the last product is a brow definer product by MELLOW. I've never heard of that brand, and this retails for $18. So we are going to be using all of these products today, and it's kind of a get ready with me style video, so yeah. For my foundations, I'm going in with the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow and the Too Faced Do You Fresh Glow Foundation. Then I just take my beauty blender and I spritz it with my MAC Fix Plus. This is actually water in it right now, but when I have MAC Fix Plus, I will use that, and it's also nice just to fill it up with water because I don't like to get this as damp as I used to. With these dewy foundations, it works better with a foundation that's not super, or a beauty blender that's not super duper damp. The reason I use both of these foundations is because both of them are off on color by themselves. So when I mix the two, they give me a better color match, and also I like the coverage better with them both on. This one is more of a full coverage, closer to a full coverage, but I would say the L'Oreal is a medium coverage, and I like to help build it up with the Too Faced one as well. Since they are like similar formula, they just blend really well together and look really good. I know it looks like I'm putting on a lot of foundation, and maybe I am, but I want to know what everybody else is using for a foundation, what your favorite foundation is. I've got a ton of them in my drawer here. These are my main 2 right now just because I have dry skin and I think they look the best, especially with my smile lines and everything. They just suit my skin very well, but I do love trying different foundations, hence why I have like 20 foundations in my drawer, but most of them are like almost gone. I just save them because I like to go back and try them again to try to remember, hey, did I like this foundation or not, before I go like to see if I want to purchase a different one or purchase it again. I also like to have lots of them or keep my old ones because if somebody recommends one of those foundations and I already have my opinion on it and they have a totally different opinion, then it makes me think, I'm like, okay, did I use that foundation wrong? Was my skin just in a bad place at that time? Maybe we just have 2 totally different types of skin, so it's just not gonna work that way on me. And then I like to go back and try it again and be like, huh, that actually is a good foundation, or nope, still don't like it. You know what I mean? Okay, so I just got my hair did yesterday, and I have a bunch of hair dye right there, and you can see it here, but there's a bunch of it right there. So that's what that is. I am going to double up on my foundation right there then, try to cover that up and along the bottom of the face too. The other thing with using two foundations is I feel like my foundation lasts a lot longer because I'm using both of them. And the L'Oreal one is only around $10, somewhere around there. And the Too Faced one is in the $30 range, I believe. So it's actually saving me money because then I don't have to buy another $30 foundation as fast as I would if I were using just that one. Does that make sense? So anyways, I want to know what everybody else's favorite foundations are right now, especially since winter's over. I don't think I have to go for the dewy foundations because my skin is not as dry anymore. But with summer, I prefer a dewy look though too. Just let me know. What are your favorite foundations? I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation stick, shade Fawn. I believe it was Tati that I saw she puts on her contour first. I think it's her contour and concealer first and then puts her foundation on afterwards now, because then you end up using less foundation because you've already got basically your concealer and your contour as a base, and then you just put your foundation kind of everywhere else and then blend it in, and then you end up getting a more sculpted result. I don't know, I want to try it sometime, I think. If you guys have any other video ideas that you would like to see too, or like a series that you would be interested in, let me know. I like to hear your guys' ideas. I have a bunch of ideas myself, but it also helps to know what everybody else likes to watch. I mean, I know I like to watch, but it's great to have other ideas, and then your guys' ideas usually end up sparking more ideas for me too. Then I'm going in with my concealer. This is a Double Wear Stay in Place Flawless Wear Concealer by Estee Lauder. This is the shade 1N Extra Light. I actually got this if you're from around here, because I know when I went to Texas they didn't have this store, but we had a store called Yonkers in the malls around us, and they all shut down, so their cosmetics were all like 20% off, and I don't know that it went any more than that, but when I went in to look at stuff, I knew I wanted this concealer, and they were almost all gone except for, like, that was their last one in that shade, so I just scooped it up right then and there. So it was 20% off, so I got it for a decent price, and it is my favorite concealer. I loved the tape shape for a while. Actually, I think I loved it so much just because, you know, everybody else loved it so much, so I wanted to love it so much. And it's not a bad concealer. It's very full coverage and it's great. But for me, because I have dry skin, I don't know, it just does not look very good under my eyes. So if you have a little bit drier skin and are looking for something different, this one is really, really good. The other one I want to try out that I think both Kathleen Lights and what's her name, Nikki Tutorials both use is the Jouer concealer. I think you can get that at Sephora, so I think that'll be my next purchase from Sephora if I can remember. Okay, before that creases, I'm just going in quick with my setting powder. This is the Coty Airspun setting powder. This is great if you have never used a setting powder before and you're looking to try it out, but you don't want to spend a bunch of money, because this is $5 and you can get it at Walmart. One of the reasons I don't like it is it smells so heavy of baby powder, and I hate the smell of baby powder. That's the main reason I don't like it. Otherwise, it's a decent setting powder. I mean, it does the job, but again, with dry skin, I would rather try to find a more hydrating setting powder, which I know Laura Mercier has one, and I would like to try the Too Faced Do You setting powder. I'm assuming because it says it's part of the dewy line that it's going to be more hydrating. I'm going to go in with the eyebrow pencil that we got in the Boxycharm. Okay, it's the Mellow Brow Definer. So we got a spoolie on one end, which is fan-freaking-tastic. And then on the other end, we have, ooh, okay. The tip is that triangular tip. It's not like a pointy one. I don't know that I've ever tried a tip like this. Most of the time that I do my eyebrows or have used an eyebrow pencil, it's those pointy ones. I can't talk and do my eyebrows, so I'll be back when I'm done. Today's gonna be a bad eyebrow day. Now, it's not that this product is bad because the formula itself is not bad. It went on smooth and stuff. The problem for me is the shape of it. I hate that triangle shape. I don't know how you can get, I don't know the point of the triangle shape. What is the point of the triangle shape? I like the thin, skinny ones where you can get the brow like, the hair like, you know, shape and look. And you can get those tiny spots like the tail end of your brow really easy. This is way too hard to get into thin spots. The color is spot on. I don't know what color, it doesn't even have a color on here, but the color is spot on for me. But if you have really light eyebrows, and now I don't know if they sent out different colors for, you know, different shades, but this definitely would not work if you have blonde hair. It's just, I'll stick with my pointy eyebrow pencils and my gels and stuff like that. Moving on, we're gonna go into the eyes next and then we'll finish up the face. So this is the Color Shifting Pigment. This is by CIATE London. It's the Eye Luster Cream Eyeshadow and it says it's color shifting. Now this color is absolutely gorgeous. It's like a pinky champagne, very sparkly shade. Oh yeah, it's got a gold shift to it. Oh god, that is so gorgeous. Wow. If I were to put that on my eyes, let's blend it out a little bit. Should I just put it on my eyes or should I put it on top of an eyeshadow? Okay, this is it blended out a little more. It is, again, super gorgeous. Got a good base down, so now we are going to use that eye luster product. So I am going to just apply it straight from the wand into the corners of the eye and kind of bring it to the middle. Oh god, that's so pretty. Wow, 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 wow. Now I could try to blend this out with a brush. It might be easier because, I don't know, I feel like blending it out with my fingers is so hard. I feel like I can't see as well and I can't be as precise. That's gorgeous. It doesn't have the intensity that it did when I first apply. Like, I'll show you. See how intense this is? And then when you blend it out, it gets a lot more sheer, which it is still super pretty though. And I wonder if I didn't blend it out, if it would be fine or if it would just make a mess. I don't know how long it would take to dry down. Also, if you guys get Boxycharm, I want to know what you guys got in your box. If you were happy with it. I think this box was amazing. We had a lot of good brands. Dose of Colors, GLAMGLOW. I love getting GLAMGLOW products. I love getting skincare products, which by the way, if you got the skincare box, they had a one-time, it was a limited edition skincare box. And I totally missed out on it and it made me so mad. I was thinking it was gonna be a monthly thing. I didn't hear much about it. If I had known it was gonna be a one-time thing, I would have jumped on that, but I didn't. Anyways, let me know what you got in your box this month and if you enjoyed it or not. I want to know your thoughts. I want to know what's running through your brain. Okay, I'm going to take this Luxie 245 small shader brush and I'm going to attempt to blend some more. I'm going to build this color up and attempt to blend it out with a brush and see how that works out for me. Yes, I definitely prefer using a brush because I can be so much more precise. I don't know if that's why it's keeping more pigment too or if that's just due to building it up again. Okay, I'm gonna make sure it still feels a little wet, so I'm gonna make sure it's all dry before we continue on. I went ahead and just finished my eye look, just did the under lash line and applied mascara quick. Overall, I do really like that eyeshadow, but I did notice it started getting like cakey and crumbly and patchy once it was drying, and also it took a hot minute to dry. I think if I had used it on its own, like cut it out with concealer or not had the powder underneath it, it would have probably applied a lot better. So I will definitely be trying it again because it is so pretty, and I think even just by itself would be gorgeous, and then try to layer maybe on top of it. I could try that next time. Okay, let's do blush next. So now we're diving into the ALAMAR Cosmetics palette. We are gonna try the Perezo. Excuse me if I pronounce that wrong. We're gonna try that shade. This is a Sonia Kashuk brush. There's no name on it. It came in a pack and I got it years and years ago. So I don't know what it is. I just know I love it for blush. This is very pretty. It's subtle, which I like. I don't like to look like I'm a clown. It's getting me out of my comfort zone of my Laura Geller Baked Blush because that's like all I ever use. I do really want to try these orangey. Let's try to go into the shade here and go on top of it. It's Scorcher. Let's hope I don't mess it up. But it's got, like, the middle one here is just plain matte, and the outside to the Castaway and Scorcher both have some shit. Oh god, that just made it way more intense. Okay, next we're going to use the Dose of Colors liquid lipstick. It's a matte, and this is the color Strawberry Pop. Now, I've been wanting to use Dose of Colors for so long. They're liquid lipsticks. My friend uses them, and she loves them. But I don't know what it is. I've just been skipping them or forgetting about them. So I'm so glad this was in here so I get finally to try it out. It's got a very faint cupcake smell. Like, if you've ever tried the Stila liquid lipsticks, they smell so good. It smells like a vanilla cupcake. And this has that scent, but it's not as strong. I am definitely the type of person that needs to use a lip liner, otherwise I end up looking like a clown because I'll mess up and just keep going further and further outside of my lips and it looks terrible. Hopefully it's comfortable to wear and doesn't like suck my lips super dry like a lot of liquid lipsticks tend to do. I'm wearing a t-shirt too, so you can see I really dressed up for this video. Alright, so anyways, this is the final look that we got with the products today. Overall, I really like everything. I'll let you know about the GLAMGLOW cleanser, and I will keep trying this cream shadow out too. I don't know if it'll be in more videos or if I'll just let you know in the description box. I'll update it there. If again, whatever you guys got, please let me know. I like to know what everybody gets in their boxes and if they like it, what they think about the products. I just love to know. And if you got this Dose of Colors lipstick, let me know what shade you got because I know there were several different shades. I do absolutely love this color. I think it is so gorgeous, especially for summer. I think it would be gorgeous with, actually, you know, if I paired this all by itself on the lids and then use this for a pop for lipsticks, oh, that would be so gorgeous. I kind of want to wipe my makeup off now and do that. That is all for today. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button if you like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!